Before the program, my A1C was 8.2. Now it's 5.9 and continuing to go down. So I'm so happy. My fasting glucose before this program was as high as 350. Now it's anywhere between the high 90s to 120. My weight before the program was 158. I now weigh 128, which is a total loss of 30 pounds in 6 months. And that's just an added benefit. I was diagnosed with type 2 diabetes in 2021. I had COVID-19 and was in the hospital for COVID pneumonia. I went to the doctor and he said, I want you to have all these lab tests. I went and had the lab tests and my A1C was high. Everything was high. He wanted to put me on a statin, wanted to put me on metformin, told me I needed to lose weight, which I knew. And so I told him, please give me 6 months. I don't want to go on a statin. Give me 6 months. I want to follow very religiously a diet, exercise. And he said, okay. So I had read every book I could on diabetes. I was on a keto diet, very little carb, high fat, high protein. And one day I thought, let me take my fasting. It was 213. I was like, what? I ate, I waited for 2 hours, and it was 214. I was disheartened. So I got on my phone and looked up, what do you do when you're fasting, glucose is still high after following keto, every other diet you can think of, and up came Mastering Diabetes, which I had never seen. And I was like, here we go, another program. I looked into it, started reading it, went against everything I was doing. And it said, if you're interested and want to give it a try, I saw all these testimonials. I immediately signed up. I spoke to a gentleman, very nice, told me a little bit about the program. I sent him my numbers. He said, yeah, you're fighting quite a few things. So I said, okay, let me give it a try. I got on the online program. After 1 week, my fasting went down to the 140s. And I was like, oh, whoa. So I continued. My fastings were coming down to 130s. I was like, okay, all right, let me see. Well, then I thought I need a little bit more accountability. So I called and I said, is there any way I can get into, another program where I'm with a coach? And so I joined the group coaching, which I would highly recommend because you get tips from the other members. You talk to your coach. She looks at your numbers. She tells you what labs to get. You get different recipes. It's wonderful. I have to say I love the diet because I hadn't had fruit in years. I hadn't had beans in years. And I've never eaten so much fruit in all my life. It's emotional. My numbers have dropped tremendously. Before the program, my A1C was 8.2. Now it's 5.9 and continuing to go down. So I'm so happy. My fasting glucose before this program was as high as 350. Now it's anywhere between the high 90s to 120. My weight before the program was 158. I now weigh 128, which is a total loss of 30 pounds in 6 months. And that's just an added benefit. My triglycerides are now 152. Normal is 150. They were 227 6 months ago. My cholesterol went from 242 to 186, which is below normal. They want it below 200. When I went back to the doctor to get my labs drawn again after the 6 months, the first thing he did was cut my high blood pressure medicine in half. I was on 5 milligrams of lisinopril, and I went down to 2.5. Before the program, when I was on keto, I was maybe eating 60 grams of carbs a day, and now I'm eating over 400 grams of carbs easily and loving it. And interestingly enough, I didn't have any symptoms with my numbers being so high. I didn't have any tingling in my feet. My eyesight was good. I was going to the eye doctor every year. I thought, well, it's probably not that bad. But when I saw the numbers, being a nurse, I was like, oh no, because this will creep up on you and cause havoc with your body and so many other problems that can happen. So I knew I needed to get the numbers down. I knew. I have to say I was a little skeptical going into the program, and I went in full force, bought all the beans, all the greens, all the fruit, and started. I was skeptical, but boy, the numbers don't lie. When I joined the coach program, they give you an app called Mighty, and it had the 6-week insulin sensitivity diet. Basically, that's like a jump start, or that's like it shocks and it gets you started. So I did that. Again, the meals were delicious. I didn't feel like I was missing anything. I wasn't craving anything because I was getting all the sweets I wanted through the fruit, feeling full. In fact, some of them, I'd look at the meal and go, my gosh, it's huge. How am I going to eat this? Amazing. Amazing. You won't be hungry on this diet. I never feel limited with any of the food because, first of all, I love beans. I love legumes. I love fruit. And I love greens. I could eat a salad every day. But I would say one of my favorite meals is the balsamic vinegar berry arugula. It's delicious. I love it. I also like, they have a recipe for edamame, peas, brown rice, macaroni. You make like a cream sauce and it's no fat. Put it in there. Delicious. So many. I can't even think. There isn't one meal that I've had that I went, ugh, this isn't very good. I enjoy all of them. And I look forward. I just started having bean smoothies. We were talking it in the small group and someone mentioned a bean smoothie. And I was like, a bean smoothie? And I looked up the recipe and I was like, okay, delicious. Just delicious. Sneaky bean smoothie, it's called. Those beans kind of sneak in there, but delicious. I could eat this way forever because I love it. I don't miss meat. I tell everyone about this program. I've told my family, they're rooting for me. I've told my friends. I've told my church friends, everyone. Anyone that is skeptical or wondering, does it work? It works. Give it a try. Give it 2-3 months and you will see a difference. If I could describe mastering diabetes in one word or one sentence, I'd say it's a miracle. It's a miracle.
Real quick, I've got a gift for you. It's our free Mastering Diabetes Meal Guide. The exact system our team spent hundreds of hours creating to help people lower blood sugar and reverse insulin resistance naturally. Inside, we show you the specific foods that make your cells more insulin sensitive, not less. You'll learn how to build meals that clear fat out of your liver and muscle tissue, restoring your body's ability to move glucose from your bloodstream into your cells. It's a science-backed blueprint with recipes, grocery lists, and real-world meals that thousands of our clients use to drop their fasting numbers, boost energy, and watch their A1C fall naturally. And here's the best part. It's completely free. All you have to do is comment the word guide below and we'll send it straight to you. No catch, no strings, just the exact framework that's helped thousands of people finally take control of their blood sugar and their life once again. Until next time, keep those carbs high and that A1C low.